shimmy, and shimmy, and. Morning, y'all. Today I'm going to be making my tropical oatmeal. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is my favorite post-workout treat. And I just worked out, so it's perfect timing. Okay, so first I'm going to go, it's like 11. First, I'm going to go through the ingredients list. Of course, you are going to need your oatmeal. You need some brown sugar, a handful of blueberries, dried apricots, half of a banana or a full banana depending on how hungry you are, and an apricot. Now onto the materials list. A saucer, teaspoon, and a half cup and a full cup. Do you say full cup or is that weird?
A cup, just a cup.
Oh. A fruit knife, a cutting board, a wooden spoon, a bowl to put your beautiful finished product in. Next, on to cooking. Okay, so first you are going to add a cup of water. Next, set your stove so that your water will boil. Add a half of a cup of oats to your boiling water and then set a timer for 5 minutes. Sometimes it finishes a bit early, so I like to just keep an eye on it. Otherwise, I don't really want to burn my oats. So, yeah. Next up is your fruit. I like to chop up my fruit while my water is boiling with my oats. And I like to cut them one way and then go ahead and cut them the other way. For the banana, as you see, I peel it and then I just, chop it up in a row so that I can put it in my bowl. Y'all, sad story. I was adding my brown sugar and my apricots and I realized that it wasn't recording the entire time. So I'll walk you through. I take 2 teaspoons of organic brown sugar and then I take the apricots that I chopped up earlier and I just mix both within the oatmeal. You can add your apricots on top, but I just like to add them within because I like that it gives it that texture. So, yeah. You can just throw your ingredients in there, or you can make them look all cutesy and nice. Personally, I like the second option, and so I'm gonna layer my bananas back there, place my nectarines all cutesy, and sprinkle some blueberries. Bon appetit! Thank y'all so much for watching my videos and for supporting me. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe down below. I will put my materials and my ingredients down in my bio. Bye.